Cape Tourville, one of Tasmania's great short walks, close to Wineglass Bay. See if we can see some whales. Vistas facing south to Wineglass Bay in there, Mount Graham and Mount Freycinet. It's a pretty spectacular coastline. The coast here was explored by the French
boardwalk along the top of the cliff.
So we've got a lot of French names.
Great spot for looking out for whales.
And this was named after some French admiral.
The seal colonies coming back.
And then we're scanning, looking up the coast, up to friendly beaches. Tourville, that's it. Told you it was a short walk. Thanks for watching.